Vacuuming and charging refrigerant on a mini split unit can totally change how well it cools your space, so getting it right is key. Alright, when you're about to vacuum your mini split, first thing, remove the valve core from the service port. This little trick helps cut down on restrictions, which means you can pull a faster, deeper vacuum, no kidding. Next, hook up your vacuum pump directly to the service port without the valve core, and start the vacuum for at least 30 to 45 minutes, depending on your system size. While that's going, keep an eye on the vacuum gauge to make sure it reaches about 500 microns or lower. That's the sweet spot for getting rid of moisture and air. Once you hit that, close the manifold valves and watch if the vacuum holds steady, meaning no leaks. Then, attach your refrigerant tank, slowly open the valve, and charge according to the manufacturer's specs. Always double-check refrigerant pressure with your gauges to avoid overcharging or undercharging. Both can mess up your mini split's performance. Lastly, replace the valve core carefully and double-check all connections before turning things back on. One of the biggest mistakes people make when vacuuming and charging refrigerant on a mini split unit is leaving the valve core in during evacuation. This causes slow vacuum speed and incomplete moisture removal, which can mess up your cooling efficiency. Fix it by always removing the valve core before vacuuming. Another common issue is not waiting long enough during the vacuum process. Rushing this step means you won't get a deep enough vacuum and could leave air trapped inside. Make sure to run the vacuum pump for at least 30 to 45 minutes or until you hit that 500 microns mark. The third problem is improper refrigerant charging, either too much or too little refrigerant, which leads to poor cooling and higher energy bills. Use the manufacturer's specs and accurate gauges to get this right every time. BigHomeProjects.com is like your go-to place for finding trusted local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to HVAC and mini split systems. It also helps contractors connect with homeowners who need quality work done, making it easier for everyone to get things fixed right without headaches.